Well, good afternoon. This is Rich, and back in the office here for a few days, so I wanted to try to get back on the video once again and give everybody an update on the markets today. The market today was led by corn. We saw a big rally back in old crop corn. A lot of talk about more demand with the lower prices yesterday. The talk was that U.S. corn was once again competitive with Australian feed wheat, other feed wheat coming from Asia, and that we could possibly be seeing some business here in corn. And so we brought some of the investors back into the corn market. Yesterday we saw a liquidation of about 12,000 contracts by the spec funds. Today it looked like we had them back as buyers once again here in the nearby futures. Tonight at the close, March corn up 8.75 cents at 6.38 1/4. December corn up 3/4 of a cent at 5.64. The March soybeans up 1 1/4 at 12.72 1/4. November soybeans up 1 3/4 at 12.64. March cotton took a hit, down 2.68 at 88.57. December cotton down 2.12 at 91.19. November rice up 4.5 points at 14.8750. The July Chicago wheat up 8.5 cents at 6.60. Kansas City July wheat up 8 3/4 at 7.01 1/4. Minneapolis SEP wheat up 7 cents at 7.92 1/4. The dollar did correct itself back higher today after a lower trade yesterday, up about 1.5 cents. We did see crude oil down 20 cents a barrel at 106.05, and gold up $20 an ounce at 17.77, and the Dow down 29 points here at the close at 12,916. Tomorrow's a Thursday. That means, well, ordinarily we would get the weekly export sales report out. That'll be postponed until Friday due to the President's Day holiday this week. And we also see this beginning of the Ag Outlook conference in Washington here Thursday, Friday. They will discuss what they believe will happen not only this year but over the next 10 years. And the trade expecting to see a bigger corn acreage number in the early workings from them, and possibly a big ending stocks number as well being discussed. So that was part of the reason for the sell-off yesterday and for the reluctance of the December contract to trade much higher here today. We are in the period of setting base prices for our revenue insurance policies, and for the northern states, southern states, we've only got about 5 days left, I guess, after today to decide on purchasing a policy here for this coming year. So a lot of things being decided here in just the next couple of weeks. Here in those northern states, we do have corn average right at 5.70 a bushel. Soybeans averaging up to 12.47 now, and that's going to continue to rise with the market closing tonight about 20 cents above that level. So we expect to see that continue to bump up. Canola at looks like 26 cents, barley at 5.37. And some of the other markets, spring wheat at 7.83. So we continue to see good levels. Most of these markets, probably the second highest we've ever had as far as setting the base prices. So that's a great deal for us here as we move into 2012. Hope everyone has a good evening. We'll report those numbers from the Ag Outlook Forum over the next couple of days, and we'll be hopefully back tomorrow with an update. Good night.